So, welcome back to a new one. What happens to an Instagram account when someone is no longer alive? Does it delete it or protect it? Let's talk about one of Instagram most sensitive feature. You need to click on edit profile, then you need to go a little down and click on personal information settings. Once you come there, you need to click on account ownership and control, and here you can see memorialization feature. Decide what happens to your profile after you pass away. This memorialization feature on Instagram is designed to protect a digital identity of a person after death. Instead of deleting the account, Instagram locks it safely and turn it into a memorial profile. Actually, it works when an account is memorialized. The feature shows remembering. No one can log in or change the account. All posts, all photos, and comments stay visible. This account is removed from suggestions and ads. A close family member can a close family member can request this by submitting proofs through Instagram official support system. And why it is useful, it's useful because of some points. For example, prevents hacking or misuse, preserves memories for loved ones, respect privacy and dignity, stops fake activity on the account. It's not just a feature, it's digital respect. If you believe this social platforms should protect memories, like the video and don't forget to subscribe and comment. I will see you in the next one, guys. Goodbye. Best of luck.